Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot bulk email failures in Copper CRM. Alright, so first up, maybe you have received a notification saying that your emails or bulk emails from Copper haven't been delivered. Okay, so what could be the issue? So first up, go ahead and check out the Google status or Gmail status. Open up a new tab in your browser and just go ahead and type in Google status page right here. Alright. Click on this one. Now go ahead and check if Gmail is having problem in this section. As you can see here in my region, it is perfect. So it's working perfectly fine. So another way to troubleshoot it is by making sure or checking that Google Sync is enabled in your account. Okay. So to do that, go to the top left, click on your profile or profile name. You can go ahead over to email settings right here for yourself, or go ahead over to workspace settings. Okay, and in here, just click on Setup Google at the top and then Google Sync. Make sure that both of these tick boxes are turned on. Okay, especially this Google Contact one-way sync. Now, another way to check is that is your Google account granted permission for Copper to be connected? Okay, you can go ahead and go to this link. Don't worry, I'm going to go ahead and leave this one in the description. Okay, this one right here. Make sure that Copper is in here. Okay, as you can see, we have Copper Data Studio Connector and Copper CRM. Now what we'll do if yours is having a problem, okay, you can go ahead and click on Copper CRM right here, scroll down and delete all connections. Okay, once that's done, go back and delete Data Studio Connector as well right here. And once that's done, in your Copper account, just refresh the page. Okay, refresh everything. And then once done, at the bottom left, you will be able to see a notification saying reconnect. Okay. If it's not showing, just log out and log back in. All right. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and try sending the email that failed, and it should work now. Now, if none of the workaround helps, it is possible that you're over the email limit imposed by Google. Okay. You can go ahead and try sending the email again tomorrow. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.